And actually, this would end up creating something that was compact enough to form a black hole. And so he said a star of large mass cannot pass into the white dwarf stage, and one is left speculating about other possibilities. So he realized this was quite controversial, and so he put it in this slightly, polite way, speculating about other possibilities, but he understood what he was saying. So unfortunately for Chandrasekhar, the next person to take the stage was Arthur Eddington. And Eddington was an expert in general relativity. So actually, Eddington was the person who proved that Einstein was correct about general relativity by measuring the bending of light around the sun. But he really didn't like this idea. He said, I think there should be a law of nature to stop a star behaving in this absurd way. But notice the language he uses, right? I think there should be a law, but there isn't one. Right? So he was actually wrong, and it was just his idea that this should not happen, that this was a crazy idea, this couldn't possibly be true, that led him to completely discount the perfectly valid scientific result that had been presented to him by Chandrasekhar. And it was really unfortunate because actually, of course, Chandrasekhar was right, but because Eddington was so well known and influential and considered so clever, everyone listened to him. And so the whole scientific community just rejected this idea that Chandrasekhar had.